So welcome back to another video of the Juicy Tech YouTube channel. My name is Ario the Juice, aka Juice. Let's jump right into this conversation. So pretty much it's the same topic as previous videos on this channel. We're going to talk about the importance of making sure you very much practice as much as you can before you spend money at a coding boot camp. Now, this is not me trying to bash boot camps. I went to one, and I can tell you right now, it was by far one of the best decisions I made in my life. I had fun there. I made a lot of new friends. I met a lot of amazing people, even outside the coding boot camp. Me going to events, tech events here in South Florida, I met a lot of amazing people, and we still keep in contact to this very day, that's just what I wanted. And yeah, so I'm not here to bash boot camps, but to do the opposite. Before we continue speaking, I'm not being sponsored to do this video. No one is paying me money to say the stuff I'm getting ready to share with you. There's no affiliate links anywhere, nothing like that. This video is me straight up talking about my experience, my testimonies, and everything after going to a 10-week course at a coding boot camp here in South Florida, really in Boca Raton. The boot camp is called a Boca Code. Awesome establishment, amazing people. Yeah, but I do also want to share how important it is. And I can tell you right now, a lot of people at the boot camp, your senior instructors or assistant teachers or teacher assistants, whatever you want to call them, they will tell you the same thing, because that's how important it is for you to know the fundamentals of, I guess, coding before you spend any money at a boot camp or a university. It doesn't have to be a boot camp, but just going to a school, some kind of educational institution, before you spend money at these places. I very much encourage you to go and study and practice as much as you can before going to a boot camp or just going to school in general. Learn the 101s about boot camp. And that's, stuff like JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Just kind of have an idea on what the stuff is, or just have an idea what a full stack app is and how that works, and what kind of technologies and tools or skills you need to use to make that, possibility of building a full stack application. This is like really important that I cannot stress enough. Be sure to learn on your own. Learn all the simple things about coding. Just kind of get an idea of what it is, how it works, just some of the basics at least before going to a boot camp or a school. This is something I wish I had done more, but I have no regrets. It is what it is. I did practice a little bit, so I wasn't too lost in the class. But had I done more practice, it would have been a lot more easy for me to understand what's going on, because I've done it at home. So this is something I bring to you. I very much want to just kind of make this like a big deal, which it is to me, of practice and practice and practice some more. The more you practice, the more projects you can build, the better it is for you. It only benefits you than the opposite. And that's what you want. You want that. You do not want to go to this boot camp or whatever institution, school, and just kind of be so brand new to everything where it's going to be hard for you to kind of grasp all the information and just, try to keep, try to keep up with the class or the instructors. It's trust me, it's something you really want to practice, which is learning on your own all the basic things about software engineering. I just cannot stress that enough to you. Some people actually quit in my boot camp because of whatever reason. I really can't say why they quit, but that was a loud ass moped that passes here almost around 6:30 p.m. That thing is so loud, it's ridiculous. But way off topic. But yeah, some people actually left the boot camp. I'm not sure why, but if it is, because it was too intense, then that's a sign, or maybe that's to let you know, hey, to not be that person. Let me very much listen to this video and what this person is sharing with me. Let me learn on my own a little bit, at least maybe for a few months, and then when when you're ready to advance, then join the boot camp. Then they could teach you all the trips, all the tips, tricks, advice, all these things that will just only benefit you as well. And I also talk about this very frequently on this channel, which is, well, let me speak about the boot camp that I went to. I don't know the boot camp. I'm not sure how they function, but the boot camp that I attended or I enrolled in, they focus not only on coding, which is awesome, right? Of course, that's a big deal. Having, your technical skills have to be, top notch, but they focus also a lot on building your confidence, right? There's nothing worse than seeing someone who has all the skills when it comes to coding. Like they can code like there's no tomorrow, but their confidence is so low. Believe it or not, you not having confidence in yourself may keep you from getting your first job in software engineering or just a tech field. Someone that lacks confidence, that makes the employer it kind of makes them feel like you don't believe in yourself, so why should I believe in you? You know what I mean? Like, it sounds kind of weird saying that, but it's true. You need to have confidence in yourself, and it goes beyond coding, just in life in general. Like, you just want to have that kind of vibe, that you are sure of yourself and not the opposite. Also, with the coding boot camp, the one that I went to, Boca Code, what they focus on a lot, which is really cool too, is something I talk about a lot on this channel. And you know what I'm getting ready to say? Networking. They focus heavy on teaching people how important it is to network. That's maybe the top 3 things that you'll need to get a job. Learning how to network, learning how to speak with somebody, be welcoming, and people have to like you, and you're just open to have a conversation. Like, people like that. That's a winner. People love a winner, not the opposite. No one wants to be around the person that doesn't have the confidence, that's just miserable and just mopey all the time and doesn't want to go out and meet people, just go out to the world and meet people. Network is something that you very much need to get you a job anywhere, not just coding, but anywhere else. I know this from experience. Now, me as a 38-year-old man, I'm 38. I've been working all my life. I could tell you right now, every job I've had, pretty much every job I've ever had, was from reference from someone else. What does that mean? It means someone who knew me from an old job or something, and there's some kind of professional in whatever field, and because they know me, when the job I'm trying to get at that employer or that place of business, they a lot of times call people as a reference who knows you, who can vouch for you and say, this guy's nice, he's reliable, blah 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 blah. Like, they take their word as like something very important to like let them know that you're someone they can trust, you're someone they can want to be around, you're a nice person, you're reliable, you're determined, like you're just a winner, and no one wants the opposite. So that's all from networking. Me having those references, I have a lot of people who can vouch for me to help me get a job. That's something you want, and that comes from networking your butt off. And how does that work? That means if it's possible for you, if it's possible, post on social media like what I do. Like me posting this, someone may see this and, we may have some type of, not bond, but a connection in the stuff that I'm saying to them. They may want to speak with me in person because they can relate to what I'm saying. So posting on social media, in whatever platform, it could be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like right now. LinkedIn is a really important one that you want to network on. Like, there's no tomorrow, but posting on social media is a major help. It doesn't have to be about talking what I'm talking about. It could be about you posting a video on how to code, or how to build a full stack app, or talk about your experience at a coding bootcamp like what I'm doing. This is networking. You watch me right now. This is networking. Like, we are connecting. I can't see you right now, but you're watching this video. You're watching me speak. this is me networking with you. Now you know who I am because of this video. This is so important to do. Posting on social media is something I seriously encourage everyone to do nowadays, because that's something people do first. When they don't know you, they Google your name. And when your name pops up in something positive like YouTube and you're posting about things like this, positive things, they may want to meet you in person because they like what you're talking about and they like you from the video that you're, sharing with them. So, yeah, posting on social media is very important. What's also important, this is all about networking. Going to live events, or just live events, going to events, a conference, whatever, in whatever field that you're in, going to a conference or event, you're going to meet a lot of people. You don't have to go there for a job, but if you are, that's a place you want to be. People need to see you. People need to see you in person. That's a way better option, right? A way better option than trying to email people all day. I'm not knocking that. That's also important too, emailing people. But I also think it's the best of both worlds. You want to meet people and also email them. Now, when you email them, they may be expecting your email. They met you in person, so they're expecting an email from you. And they may want to talk to you first than other candidates because they actually met you in person or they know you from social media. It's all just trying to, it's basically you just being out there, right? You're in the world. You're letting people know, here I am. This is who I am. Let's talk. I'm fun to talk to. It doesn't have to be about work, but I'm someone that you can actually go out and have a drink with at the bar or just hang out with. It doesn't have to be about work, but you are this pleasant, welcoming, fun person that people enjoy being around. Nobody wants to be around the opposite. Nobody wants to be around miserable people who are negative, jealous, envious, nasty people. You don't want that in your life. You want the opposite. You want the winners. And that's all from networking. A lot to say, but that's how much networking is so important. And I'm so glad places like Boca Code, they focus heavy on that. Not to mention helping you build your resume, how to have a strong, positive, clean look on social media so people can really take you serious. This is why I'm for boot camps, because one that I went to was awesome. It was a great place. Again, they're not paying me to say this. I just want people to know that my experience at a boot camp was awesome. And I met a lot of people. It's what I wanted, really. Really? It's really what I wanted, to just meet people and just connect. Have, these are my peers now. And that's really important. I'm telling you, that's something you want to very much practice, networking. So yeah, that's really it with this video. That's what I want to talk about. It's the same topic, but I just feel like this is stuff that people want to, are looking for and they need to know. And it's only going to benefit you, the stuff that I'm telling you. And, it's something that you have to understand and practice. Network, practice coding, of course. That was another one. Jesus Christ. It was another one. Networking, practice. It was another one. I forgot what it was. But it was 3 things that I did mention. And yeah, those are things you just want to focus on a lot. When it comes not just programming or networking, but coding. That's any field. That's if you're in, hospitality or law, just, whatever field you want to very much practice and network and get that skill and get those skills up. It's only going to benefit you. So let me go back home to my wife. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had to get this out there. I hope you got some value from it. And I'll catch you on the next one. So much love. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like and share this video, please, so others can find it and it can be of value to them. So thanks for watching. I'm out of words. Peace out.